We have been working on this crash damaged Range Rover, but we realized pretty quickly that it's a lot more complicated than we first thought. So I wanted to quickly explain why there isn't a video going up on the main channel this weekend. This is what made us stop. This is not just a panel, this is literally a quarter of a Range Rover. It is so heavy that we have to put it on a crane. And what a better way to learn on how to fix a problem than buying a full quarter so we can understand exactly what's going on, especially with this bit here. When you see it like this, you realize how much of a structure it actually involves. So this panel here, it doesn't just end there, it actually goes all the way to the driver's seat. So this panel here and to the door. This is where the door completes. And this is one of the jobs where we get one chance to get it right. One cut, one chance, and that is it. So once we cut the car, there's no going back. So we will come back once we're ready to do so. I thank you very much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you guys very, very soon on the main channel. Bye-bye.